Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play up and arms on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to standard E. We'll focus on 4 essential power chords: F5, C5, G5, and a 5. These are fundamental for the song's driving sound. Practice pressing down firmly on the strings to get clear, ringing notes. This foundation will set you up for success. Next, let's tackle the strumming. A simple yet effective pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently. To get that authentic rock sound, practice palm muting by lightly resting your strumming hand on the bridge. Also, give a little extra emphasis to the first down strum of each measure to drive the rhythm forward. Now, let's put those chords into action. The verse typically follows a progression such as F5, G5, C5, and a 5. The chorus often uses a similar sequence, but with more intensity, reflecting the song's emotional core. Pay attention to the song's dynamics, play softer in the verses, and really dig in for the choruses to capture the full energy of the track. Finally, consistent practice is key to mastering up in arms. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, focusing on clean chord changes and accurate strumming. As you get more comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Listen to the original recording often to internalize the song's feel and timing. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes daily, and you'll be playing it confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.